If you are living in a small apartment, townhouse, a dorm, or you're simply running out of storage space, today's video is for you. Now, Prime Day ends tomorrow, and I've rounded up 7 of my favorite organization products that I have personally tested. Now, these are not random Amazon finds, they are products I would actually buy again, especially while they are on sale. So let's jump right in. First up is this magnetic spice rack. I actually got it as a set of 4, and it was one of my very first small space organization finds. I love that it gives me extra storage without taking up any counter or cabinet space. Since I don't have a lot of cabinets in my kitchen, this has been a really practical solution. If you have an empty side on your refrigerator, you're basically gaining extra storage space. I use mine to keep everyday items within easy reach, and because the magnets are so strong, everything stays securely in place. If you're trying to make the most of a small kitchen, this is definitely a product I would recommend, especially while it's on sale. Next up are these under the bed storage containers. So I actually got these in a 2-pack. And one of the things I love most is that they are made from bamboo, which gives them a really nice high-end look. So they also have wheels. Instead of dragging them out from under the bed, you can simply roll them out whenever you need something. There's also a sturdy handle on the front, which makes it really easy to pull out and move around. The storage bag is removable, which is pretty cool. You could use the bamboo frame on its own if you wanted, or just keep the bag inside for dust-free storage. I mean, the top is clear, so you can easily see what's inside without opening it. These are perfect for storing seasonal clothes, extra blankets, shoes, or anything you don't use every day. So if you're trying to make the most of the space under your bed, these are definitely worth checking out. Next up is this over-the-door organizer. So if you're short on closet space, you can use this on your door. It gives you 5 large storage pockets plus extra mesh side pockets for smaller items. I like that it has clear windows so you can actually see what's inside instead of having to dig in through every pocket. You could use this for toys, for diapers, toiletries, cleaning supplies, snacks, craft supplies, just pretty much anything. So this is also on Prime Deal, and I would absolutely buy it again. Next up is this bamboo corner plate organizer. So this will make use of all that corner space without wasting it, and it allows you to stack plates by group without having to place all of them on top of each other, making it difficult to reach a plate that would be on the bottom. I love that it's bamboo. It has 3 different levels, allowing you to separate plates by type or size. Next up is another one of my favorites, these gold metal hangers. Now, they might seem like a simple upgrade, but matching hangers can make such a huge difference in your closet. Not only do they give your closet a cleaner, more organized look, but they're also lightweight and surprisingly sturdy. So one of the biggest reasons I like them is because they are space saving. If you compare them to the bulky plastic hangers that most of us use, you'll notice these take up much less room. That means you can fit more clothes in your closet without it feeling overcrowded. They also have shoulder grooves to help keep tank tops and dresses from slipping off, and they're strong enough to hold everything from everyday clothes to heavier jackets. So if you're looking for an easy way to organize your closet, these are definitely worth considering. Next up is this over-the-door hat organizer. Now, as you can see, I don't actually use it for hats. Instead, I use it in my kids' shared bedroom to create extra storage. It's perfect for hanging their backpacks, organizing other everyday items, making the most of the vertical space behind the door. So that's what I really love about this organizer. It is not just for hats, it's versatile. You can get creative and use it however works best for your home. It also comes with hooks that are great for hanging things like keys, maybe sunglasses, or just other accessories. Even if you don't have a hat collection, the baskets are useful for storing all kinds of things. This is on Prime Day sale, and it's a really versatile organizer and a great way to add extra storage without taking up any floor space. Last but definitely not least is one of the simplest products in today's video. So if you're anything like me, you probably have a cabinet full of grocery bags stuffed inside other grocery bags. This organizer gives them a proper home. You simply push the bags in through the top and pull one out from the bottom whenever you need it. It's inexpensive, easy to install, frees up space while making those bags much easier to access. Sometimes it's really the smallest organization product that makes the biggest difference. So these are 7 of my favorite Prime Day organization finds for anyone trying to make the most of a small space. If you have been thinking about picking up any organization products, now is probably the best time since many of these are discounted for Prime Day. I would love to know which one is your favorite. Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.